It is not always necessary to have a large number of funds to start a business. You may occasionally get started with little to no money. Being your boss and establishing a business with little money may appear to be a far-fetched idea, but it's not impossible. The internet is the great equalizer. Anyone who has a computer can establish a profitable business. Additionally, no technical knowledge is required. There are many tools available now for building an online business that makes the technical job much easier than it was previously. So, in this video, we will talk about how to start an online business with no money. 1. Dropshipping. The basic idea behind an online dropshipping business is that as a small business owner, you don't have to maintain a huge inventory of items or manage any delivery to your clients. That reduces the financial expense and danger of stockpiling items that may not sell, as well as the trouble of arranging for orders to be shipped all over the nation or the world. The only thing you need to concentrate on is marketing and advertising to discover clients and create sales. After the sale, the rest is handled by others. The only fee you will incur is the cost of marketing and advertising to gain a new customer. 2. Blogging. If you have the expertise or a passion or interest for a subject, you're ready to start making money with a blog. You may think blogging is all about writing, and it can be if that's what you want to do. But written blog posts are just the start. You can post photos, videos, and links to other sites. You can even repost news as long as it relates to your niche. The key is that you want to post original content that is useful to your target audience and to post regularly. That is the best way to get ranked in the search engines and also get your audience to take action. 3. SEO Consultant. SEO, Search Engine Optimization, aids in the optimization of web pages and other sorts of online content. This helps the sites to rank higher in search engine results. This is a rich business opportunity if you are tech-savvy and a marketing specialist. Even if this sector is always evolving, with time and dedication, it will not be difficult to achieve. An SEO consultant should be an expert and people value experts. To maintain your position, you must engage in lifelong learning. Assume that regular search engines modify their algorithms. In such a situation, you must keep up with algorithm changes. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is somewhat similar to drop shipping, but with some key differences. Affiliate marketers earn rewards by promoting the products or services of others. It is the finest online business to start and earn money from. The majority of affiliate marketers promote these items and services through their blogs, websites, and email lists. To establish an audience, they must understand several internet marketing tactics such as SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. On the other hand, you can even build an Amazon affiliate store using WordPress. Simply list Amazon items on your website and earn a commission when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. 5. Do translations. If you speak more than one language, translation work may be a lucrative side business, especially if the languages you know are not widely spoken in your area. Translators often concentrate in one field. You could wish to specialize in translating literature, advertising material, or legal documents, but there is an endless demand for translators in other sectors as well. Browse the thousands of tiny, independently made games on Steam, for example, and you'll find lots of requests for translators to work on screenplays and dialogue for different markets. Platforms such as Django and Upwork can also link translators with those who want their skills. This concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.